Hello everyone. Again, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Triangle Academy. Today, our topic of discussion is COVID-19. As all of you know, not only in India, the whole world is suffering from coronavirus pandemic, and it is now become necessary for us to stay safe and maintain social distancing. Now gradually the lockdown smoothen, and after the lockdown surely Assam government will announce huge number of vacancies as they already declared some of them. You can mention forest, health department, etc. So I urge all the aspirant not to waste your valuable time because this time is very important for you. Stay safe, stay safe at home and work on your weak section. In the upcoming job-related interviews, it is sure that in the current affairs section, there will be some question on this pandemic COVID-19. So today, I bring some most important MCQs relating to this pandemic. To prepare this question, one of my teacher friend Mohsin Devan helping me. So big thank you to him, and I will give his blog link also in the description. So guys, please go there and check his blog also. So without wasting any time, let's learn something new today and let's start the video. Okay, now moving to the first question. That is question number 1. What does the structure of coronavirus look like when viewed by microscope? The options are option number A, ring, option number B, crown, option number C, map, option number D, square. And the thing is, when we see the coronavirus in the microscope, it looks like a crown, that is crown-like structure. So the answer is option number B. And the word corona come from the Latin word which means crown. So it is the same, it is the some necessary information relating to this answer. So the correct answer will be option number B, that is crown. Now let's move into the question number 2. Before moving to the question number 2, I just say something that I urge all of you to please try to solve the question before I pointing out the answer. Then only it will be fruitful for you. Eventually you will know the answer, but trying of your own surely boost up your confidence. Now let's move on to the second question, that is, when was coronavirus first recognized? Option number A, 1950, option number B, 1956, option number C, 1960, and the last option, that is option D, 2019. And the correct answer will be option number C, that is 1960. Now the third question, that is question number 3. The name coronavirus originated from which language? Option number A, Chinese, option number B, English, option number C, Latin, and option number D, Japanese. This point I already discussed, that the name coronavirus came from the Latin word which means crown. So the correct answer will be option number C, that is Latin. And question number 4. Now let's move into the question number 4. What is the size of coronavirus? It's also important question. Option number A, that is 10 to 20 nm. Here nm stands for nanometer. 10 to 20 nanometer. Option number B, 100 to 160 nanometer. Option number C, 300 to 400 nanometer. And the last option, that is option number D, 3 to 4 nanometer. We already know that 1 nanometer is equal to 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now we can say that how tiny the virus is, and the correct answer will be for question number 4 will be option number B, that is 100 to 160 nanometer. Now let's go to the question number 5. Which government has announced to give rupees 50 lakhs insurance cover to journalist who was reporting during the COVID-19 outbreak? And the options are option A, Gujarat, option B, MP, that is Madhya Pradesh, option C, Assam, and the last option D, Delhi. Assam state government. I will give you some necessary information relating to this question. Assam state government taking a very good initiative in this difficult time, in this in the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic. In this difficult time, to provide rupees 50 lakh insurance cover to the journalists, journalist. So the answer will be option number C, that is Assam. Assam state government provide rupees 50 lakh insurance cover to the journalist who was reporting during the COVID-19 outbreak. It is a very important question. Now let's move into the question number 6. That is, spitting in public. Spitting in public is now an offense under which of the following sections of Disaster Management Act? Under the Disaster Management Act. Option number A, section 49C. Option B, section 15A. Option C, section 56A. Option D, section 51B. And the correct answer is option D, that is section 51B. Now the question number 7. Who started Operation Namaste in order to tackle with COVID-19? It is important question. Option number A, Indian Army. Option number B, Indian Air Force. Option C, Indian Navy. And option D, Indian Coast Guard. And the correct answer is option A, that is Indian Army. Indian Army started a operation called Namaste in order to tackle with COVID-19. Now let's move into the question number 8. Who declared that whole world has entered into economic recession because of COVID-19? Who declared about the economic recession, that the whole world has entered into economic recession? The options are WHO, that is World Health Organization. Option B, UNICEF. Option C, WTO, that is World Trade Organization. And the option D, IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. And the correct answer will be option D, that is International Monetary Fund. Okay, now question number 9. Who has been chosen in an awareness campaign run by WHO, that is the World Health Organization, against COVID-19? Option A, Virat Kohli. Option B, Sunil Chetri. Option C, Sachin Tendulkar. Option D, Saina Nehwal. And the correct answer is option B, Sunil Chetri. Question number 10. Reliance opened a hospital dedicated to COVID-19 in which Indian city? Then name the city. Option A, Mumbai. Option B, New Delhi. Option C, Kanpur. And the last option, Punjab. And the correct answer will be option A, that is Mumbai. Now let's go to the question number 11. What is coronavirus? Option A, it is a large family of viruses. Option B, it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Option C, both A and B are correct. That is both A option and both B option, A option and B option both are correct. And the last option, option D, only A is correct. That is option A is correct. That is it is a large family of nidovirus. And the correct answer will be option C. That is both A and B are correct. That is it is a large family of viruses and it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Both A and B options are correct. And going to the last question of today's session. That is question number 12. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in where it was identified. First case of novel coronavirus. Option A, Beijing. Option B, Shanghai. Option C, Wuhan. And the last option, Tianjin. and we already know this answer. Option that will be option C, Wuhan. That's it for today. I wrap up my video here. Thanks for watching the video. In the upcoming days, to watch this kind of important videos, I urge all of you to subscribe my channel. Again, thank you. Stay happy, stay at home, and keep yourself motivated always. And bye.